As you can see on the screen, the very first question says, Rafi told Mary, I am thinking of watching a film this weekend. So this is the sentence that is given to us, and it said indirect speech. The following reports the above statement in indirect speech. Rafi told Mary that he dash of watching a film that weekend. Your correct answer would be A, that is thought of. So the sentence is coming like this. Rafi told Mary that he thought of watching a film that weekend. Okay, that is the first answer. Let's cover question 2. It's written permit, enforce, relax. So by word meaning we have to put something that goes with permit. परमिट के साथ हम लोग अलाउ को प्लेस कर सकते हैं, क्योंकि परमिट का मतलब है कॉन्सेंट प्रोवाइड करना, मतलब अलाउ करना। तो इस हिसाब से आप अलाउ इसमें भर सकते हैं। So allow is the correct answer over here. Now let us discuss the other set, that is enforce and relax. Enforce का मतलब है कुछ रूल्स इम्पोज करना, किसी भी चीज के ऊपर कोई रूल्स इम्पोज करना। एंड डेफिनेटली इसके साथ जो रिलैक्स वर्ड है ये थोड़ा सा मेल खाते हैं, विच मीन्स टू रिड्यूस और टू लूजन द रेस्ट्रिक्शंस, मतलब उतना ज़्यादा रेस्ट्रिक्शंस किसी भी बात पे ना रखना, थोड़ा सा कम कर देना, दैट इज रिलैक्स. सो परमिट, अलाउ, एनफोर्स, रिलैक्स. The third question, or the question that has been marked as 4, this says it's all about a survey, so it's a bit long. A recent survey shows that 65% of tobacco users were advised to stop consuming tobacco. The survey also shows that 3 out of 10 tobacco users attempted to stop using tobacco. So that is how the tobacco usage has been reduced. Based only on the information in the above passage, which one of the following options can be logically inferred with certainty? So based on this entire thing, we have to find out which of the options is going correctly with this. Okay. Let's go through the options. Option A says a majority of tobacco users who were advised to stop consuming tobacco made an attempt to do so. Okay, so yeah, this can go, right? B, a majority of tobacco users who were advised to stop consuming tobacco did not attempt to do so. Okay. And C says approximately 30% of tobacco users successfully stopped consuming tobacco. And D says approximately 65% of tobacco users successfully stopped consuming tobacco. जिस तरह से पैसेज को दिया गया है, एक्चुअली में अगर हम उस हिसाब से देखेंगे तो कोई भी ऑप्शन नहीं जा रहा है, क्योंकि फर्स्ट ऑप्शन पे हम वापस आते हैं. फर्स्ट ऑप्शन बोल रहा है कि अ मेजॉरिटी ऑफ टोबैको यूजर्स who were advised to stop consuming tobacco made an attempt to do so. But over here we can see 3 out of 10 tobacco users attempted to stop using tobacco. So only 3 out of 10 did try to actually stop consuming tobacco, but we still do not know the success rate for it. So we can't choose that option. So definitely the first one is not going. Second one might go, because till now we can see only 3 out of 10 attempted to stop having tobacco. And over here in the first line, they have said 65% of the tobacco users were advised to stop consuming tobacco. So not even the last one is going. The last one is saying approximately 65% of the tobacco users successfully stopped consuming tobacco. So according to me, it's actually none of the options that are going. Like without additional information, we cannot make a definitive inference about the majority of the tobacco users, like who all were actually advised to stop. और अगर हम सक्सेस रेट की भी अगर बात करेंगे टोबैको स्टॉप करने के लिए, उसका भी रेट हमें यहाँ से कुछ ज़्यादा देखने को मिल नहीं रहा है, क्योंकि उतना ज़्यादा इंफॉर्मेशन नहीं दिया गया है। जो इंफॉर्मेशन एक्चुअली चाहिए हमें उस वो नहीं दिया गया है। Okay, so let's move on to the next question, that is question 6. Students of all the departments of a college who have successfully completed the registration process are eligible to vote in the upcoming college elections. Okay. So, however, by the time the due date for registration was over, it was found that surprisingly none of the students from the Department of Human Sciences had completed the registration process. So none of them had finished off with their registration process. Based only on the information provided above, which one of the following sets of statements can be logically inferred with certainty? With certainty. So, after reading this one, which one do you think will be going with this? तो अगर हम पैसेज को फिर से देखेंगे तो अकॉर्डिंग टू दिस वी कैन से only like the first one can go. Yeah, the first one can go. That is only one. That is C. The first one can go, as it's saying all those students who would not be eligible to vote in the college elections would certainly belong to the Department of Human Sciences. तो इस पैसेज से हमें पता चलता है कि कोई भी स्टूडेंट्स फ्रॉम द डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ ह्यूमन साइंसेज ने रजिस्ट्रेशन प्रोसेस कंप्लीट नहीं किया था। तो फ्रॉम दिस इंफॉर्मेशन हम लोग इन्फर कर सकते हैं कि जो भी स्टूडेंट्स, ऑल दो स्टूडेंट्स who would not be eligible to vote in the college elections would certainly belong to that Department of Human Sciences. Okay. अगर हम कुछ सिंपल वर्ड्स में बताएंगे तो जो भी स्टूडेंट्स हैं फ्रॉम द डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ ह्यूमन साइंसेस would not be eligible to vote, who would not be eligible to vote because they did not complete the registration process, um, would be belonging to the Department of Human Sciences. Okay, so that is what this entire passage was trying to say. So that is why I chose only option 1. So C, option 1. Let's move over to the next question. Okay, no, before that, we can just discuss statement 2 and statement 3 के यहाँ पे क्या होता है. Statement 2 में क्या होता है, स्टेटमेंट 2 हो या फिर स्टेटमेंट 3 हो, जो ये दोनों सेंटेंसेस हैं या फिर ये दोनों स्टेटमेंट्स हैं, ये जो दोनों statements हैं, these two cannot be inferred with certainty because whatever information has been given, based on that we can't draw proper conclusion from these two. जैसे कि यहाँ पे हमारे पास उतना ज़्यादा इंफॉर्मेशन तो है नहीं about the registration completion status of the students from the departments other than the human sciences. So definitely we cannot conclude that none of them failed to complete the process. Okay. Similarly, और एक बात भी हो सकता है कि we don't have that enough information to determine that if all the eligible voters are students who are not from the Department of Human Sciences or any other departments. So we don't have those kind of much information. So definitely we are going with option C, that is only one, this one. Now let's move over to question 8. Which one of the options does not describe the passage below or follow from it? Okay, from here the passage is starting, so let's read. चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं with the passage. We tend to think of cancer as a modern illness because its metaphors are so modern. तो हम लोग कैंसर को एक मॉडर्न इलनेस के हिसाब से देखते हैं. It is a disease of overproduction of sudden growth, a growth that is unstoppable. तो कुछ सेल्स का कुछ ज़्यादा अगर ग्रोथ हो जाता है, तो सडन ग्रोथ हो जाता है, तो उसको ही हम कैंसर सेल्स बोलते हैं। Tipped into the abyss of no control, मतलब कंट्रोल नहीं रहता है। Modern cell biology encourages us to imagine the cell as a molecular machine. तो हमें इमेजिन करना पड़ेगा कि हमारा जो सेल है अकॉर्डिंग टू मॉडर्न सेल बायोलॉजी वो एक मॉलिक्यूलर मशीन है. Cancer is that machine unable to quench its initial command to grow and thus transform into an indestructible self-propelled automation. Uh, तो अगर तो कैंसर को हम ऐसे एक मशीन के साथ कंपेयर कर सकते हैं जो जिसका जो इनिशियल जो कमांड है वो ग्रो करता ही रहता है और इतना ज़्यादा हो जाता है, ऐसे ट्रांसफॉर्म होते हैं कि वो इंडेस्ट्रक्टिबल बन जाते हैं एंड सेल्फ प्रोपेल्ड बन जाते हैं. Based on this, so this was the paragraph and this has been adapted from The Emperor of All Maladies by Siddharth Mukherjee. तो ये book से लिया गया है ये passage. Now based on this, which one does not describe the passage? तो ये हमें find out करना है. Let's read the options. It is a reflection of why cancer seems so modern to most of us. No, it's not like that. ये तो बिल्कुल भी ठीक नहीं होगा ये ऑप्शन. नेक्स्ट है बी. इट टेल्स अस दैट मॉडर्न सेल बायोलॉजी यूजेस एंड प्रोमोट्स मेटाफर्स ऑफ मशीनरी. मतलब मशीनरी के साथ या फिर मशीन्स के साथ हमारे सेल्स को या फिर कैंसर सेल्स को कंपेयर किया गया है थ्रू मेटाफर्स. तो ये पैसेज तो सिर्फ मेटाफर्स के बारे में नहीं है. सो वंस अगेन वी आर नॉट गो. Okay, yes, like yes, it promotes metaphor. That is absolutely correct. It is a reflection of why cancer seems so modern to us. Yes, sorry. A is going with this passage definitely. B is also going with this passage definitely. I forgot for a moment that we have to choose an option that does not describe, not describe. Yes. So option C says modern cell biology encourages the metaphors of machinery and cancer is often imagined as a machine. Yes, of course. Here only we can see cancer is that machine. Here they have already told it is a molecular machine, it's a machine. Everywhere this is mentioned, self-propelled automation. It's an indestructible machine. So definitely this one will also be related to the passage. But what about D? Option D says modern cell biology never uses figurative language such as metaphors to describe or explain anything. तो यहाँ पे तो metaphor हम देख सकते हैं भर भर के use किया गया है. तो something which is not getting related to this passage is option D. क्योंकि metaphors तो use हुआ है लेकिन यहाँ पे बताया जा रहा है कि metaphors नहीं use हुआ है. So yeah, let's go with option D. So I'll be keeping it till here for today. If you have any questions, you can post your questions in the comment box below. And if you want to join our classes for more interactive discussions or doubt clearing sessions या फिर live sessions या फिर अगर mock tests देना है कोई और course के लिए अगर आपको भर्ती होना है preparation के लिए then definitely you can join our classes. सभी contact details आपको description box में मिल जाएगा. Thank you for watching.